Hey, welcome back everybody. Today's topic is what is causing your case runout. So if you're using tools like the Hornady Concentricity tool or RCBS Case Master, things like that, you're going to notice that your cases can have a little runout. I try to keep mine down, 1/2000. When I start getting up around 4, start getting a little bit worried. Well, I've been running this press for several years now, and I'm using, I use all kinds of different dies. I've got, Lee, some RCBS, some Redding dies, different things, but increasingly I seem to get more and more runout. So, I've taken the dies apart, I've cleaned them, I've inspected them, I've tried different cases, I've tried all kinds of stuff, and then I had to look at my press. So what I did is, I've got a 1/10,000th gauge set up on the ram. We're going to take a close look at this from a couple different angles, and you're going to see right away what's causing my runout. Now when I say runout in my cases, I'm getting like 10,000ths runout on the neck, which is bad, really bad. That's horrible. I've got some stuff to shoot pretty good at 4. Anything beyond 4, I start throwing shots. So I had a couple flyers the last time I was out the range, and I also knew I was getting increasing runout. Let's take a close-up here. You'll see exactly what's going on. So I've got the gauge here. Now again, this is a 1/10,000th. So I'm going to just press on the handle just with a tiny bit of pressure, and you're going to see this thing just start walking. Absolutely unacceptable for precision reloading. That's crazy. Let's take a look from the top side. So looking at this from the top side, bunch of movement there in the ram. And all you got to do is just touch the handle. It's terrible. It's wore out. So it's time for a new press. This has seen a lot of cases. Been through a lot of reloading classes we put on, and it's got its fair share of use. I've kept it really clean, well lubricated, but it's just wore out. So I ordered a new press. I didn't get the one I had my heart set on. I was really looking for the coax, but they've been unavailable for a long time now. I've had one on back order, and now you can't even back order them. So I went with what I think is going to be the next best thing, and that's a MEC, M-E-C press, single stage. I've watched some pretty good reviews. It does have a floating shell holder design, and so that's kind of what I was looking for anyway, which the coax has. And that's going to help take up some of those very small inconsistencies by allowing the case to sort of self-center into the die itself. So along with that, I ordered some other dies. I got another set of Redding dies, the Type S bushing dies coming, and we're going to be running this Redding bullet seeder die. I do like these. These are very nice dies. Not cheap dies, but nice dies. I learned of this little problem here as I was shooting the DVD that I'm getting ready to, I'm shooting all the footage for it, for reloading. And as I'm doing this, I'm checking some cases, and I'm just going, man, it's getting worse and worse. And so, anyways, I didn't have a choice. Gotta get a new press. So I'll make sure to follow up with a pretty good detailed review of the MEC, my opinions on it, once I've had a little time to run it, make sure that I'm getting some really good consistent results, or not, be honest either way about it. So, but from what I've heard from some pretty respectable people out there, that it's a very good press, especially for the price point. And MEC has built good stuff for a long time. Built in the USA, so that's a good thing too. So anyways, I hope this helps out some folks if you've been having some case runout issues and you're not sure, where the problems are coming from, where those issues are, whether it's in your die or your press or it's something you're doing wrong. That's something to check. That's definitely something you want to check on. So check that press out, see how much slop is in the ram. Anyways, hey, thanks for watching, everybody, and we're going to catch you guys real soon.